Hello there, everyone. Ooh, it's been a while. Hello there, everyone, and welcome back to yet another beautiful video. Today, in a video that has taken a long time for me to make for no particular reason at all, I would equate it to just pure energy for making videos, so I am very sorry to all of those who look forward to my videos, but hopefully I shall be back. Of course, that's never a promise I can keep, but I'm going to try. Today we are going to be talking about how to make a Greg Lorenz studio shirt. Now, when it comes to any of my clothing pieces, one of the most consistent in quality, structure, and all of the above would be the Greg Lorenz studio shirt. I can't stop myself from buying them. I love them. My girlfriend loves them. Overall, they are an amazing piece. Just everything about it really makes the perfect dress shirt. They come at the hefty price tag of around $1,000, which is absurd for a dress shirt when you could buy a full suit for that much at some places, even 3 full suits at some places, and you aren't really able to spend that much on clothing. This seems like something that is completely out of your reach. And it was like that for me for a while, in the case of I wanted a white and a black one. So I decided I'd make 1 or 2 myself and show you how to make them. I show in a couple minutes the reference video of exactly how to make it off of this beautiful shirt. I'd just like to show off the 2 that I made. I'm not going to wear them, but these are the final products. I'll try to come up more close. You can see the cut edges, the cut hems. Same for here. I put a contrast, sort of. Once again, the V-neck, cut hems, cut arms, elongated, as I call it, vampire sleeves, all of the above. Overall, phenomenal shirts. If you do want one and you are willing to spend the money, I'd say it's more than a necessity to have one. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of this video. I think I'll end here and then I'll play the B-roll. So yeah, I hope you guys will learn something, and as always, have an amazing day.